There are a number of these on the market today where you can rehydrate yourself after activity. Many of these come at a cost, as that they have poor pH balance, they have poor carbohydrate to protein ratios, and they often are fortified with sugar and other things that are not ideal for us after we perform. It doesn't matter what you consume after a workout, as long as it is replenishing what you've lost. And sometimes it is okay to have some sugar when you've had a long, extensive, hard, intensive workout. For most of us that are not elite athletes, we don't necessarily need that. So for us weekend warriors, we don't need Gatorade, those types of things. I always tell people to look for a 3-to-1 ratio between carbohydrate and protein. Any substance that can be metabolized easy and that has this 3-to-1 ratio will be perfect for accelerating recovery. You need the carbohydrate to replace what you've lost in the workout, and you also need the protein in order to rebuild the tissue that's been damaged during that training. For a low-cost option that I love and that I've recommended to athletes for years, I always recommend chocolate milk. Chocolate milk does the job. It's widely available and simple to get access to and doesn't cost an arm and a leg. And so I always tell people, when in doubt, choose chocolate milk.